I am washing the dishes. I am washing the dishes. I am drying the dishes. I am drying the dishes. My sister is feeding the cat. My sister is feeding the cat. I am cooking dinner. I am cooking dinner. She is watering the plants. She is watering the plants. She is vacuuming the carpet. She is vacuuming the carpet. She is dusting the shelves. She is dusting the shelves. He is fixing the door. He is fixing the door. I am making the bed. I am making the bed. We are hanging the clothes out. We are hanging the clothes out. We are cleaning the windows. We are cleaning the windows. I am raking leaves. I am raking leaves. He is washing the car. He is washing the car. He is making coffee. He is making coffee. I am tidying up the room. I am tidying up the room. I am doing the laundry. I am doing the laundry. She is baking cookies. She is baking cookies. Anna is painting the wall pink. Anna is painting the wall pink. Sue is mopping the floor. Sue is mopping the floor. She is hanging up the laundry. She is hanging up the laundry. My sister is dusting the furniture. My sister is dusting the furniture. Mia is walking the dog. Mia is walking the dog. I am ironing the clothes. I am ironing the clothes. She is taking out the trash. She is taking out the trash. She is sorting the recycling. She is sorting the recycling. She is organizing the garage. She is organizing the garage. She is tidying up the living room. She is tidying up the living room. Jane is chopping vegetables for the salad. Jane is chopping vegetables for the salad. She is folding the laundry. She is folding the laundry. My sister is loading the dishwasher. My sister is loading the dishwasher. I am weeding the garden. I am weeding the garden. May is clearing the table. May is clearing the table. Mary is laying out clothes for tomorrow. Mary is laying out clothes for tomorrow. She is sewing a button on the shirt. She is sewing a button on the shirt. I am changing the pillowcase. I am changing the pillowcase. He is scrubbing the bathtub. He is scrubbing the bathtub. Mary is changing the bedsheet. Mary is changing the bedsheet. Paul is fixing the leaky faucet. Paul is fixing the leaky faucet. Tom is decorating the living room. Tom is decorating the living room. He is polishing the furniture. He is polishing the furniture. Nam is disinfecting the countertops. Nam is disinfecting the countertops. William is changing the light bulbs. William is changing the light bulbs. Mary is sweeping the porch. Mary is sweeping the porch. Sanaa is squeezing orange juice. Sanaa is squeezing orange juice. I am pouring orange juice into the glass. I am pouring orange juice into the glass. He is planting flowers in the garden. He is planting flowers in the garden. He is pruning the bushes. He is pruning the bushes. Jake is blending a smoothie. Jake is blending a smoothie. I am brewing coffee. I am brewing coffee. Luna is going to the market. Luna is going to the market. I am wiping the mirrors. I am wiping the mirrors. I am sorting the laundry. I am sorting the laundry. My mom is cutting potatoes. My mom is cutting potatoes. Sarah is removing the cobwebs. Sarah is removing the cobwebs. She is making a shopping list. She is making a shopping list. I am collecting eggs from the chicken coop. I am collecting eggs from the chicken coop. I am decluttering the closet. I am decluttering the closet. He is grinding coffee beans. He is grinding coffee beans. I am restocking the fridge. I am restocking the fridge. He is repairing the broken chair. He is repairing the broken chair. I am setting up the dining table. I am setting up the dining table. She is making a fruit salad. She is making a fruit salad. Vera is cleaning the fish tank. Vera is cleaning the fish tank. I am brewing tea. I am brewing tea. I am dusting the blinds. I am dusting the blinds. She is packing a lunchbox. She is packing a lunchbox. Dana is trimming the hedges. Dana is trimming the hedges. She is shredding old documents. She is shredding old documents. He is cleaning the bathroom. He is cleaning the bathroom. I am mowing the lawn. I am mowing the lawn. My mom is wiping the counters. My mom is wiping the counters. She is sweeping the floor. She is sweeping the floor. Max is cleaning the pool. Max is cleaning the pool. I am cleaning the oven. I am cleaning the oven. She is cooking breakfast. She is cooking breakfast.